When birds take over your outdoor space, peace disappears fast, leaving mess, noise, and stress behind. PESTEZE created a gentle solution that protects your space without harming wildlife. Our 15-inch yellow predator-eye balloons use instinctive visual cues to naturally guide birds away. Perfect for pools, gardens, patios, farms, rooftops, and yards, anywhere birds cause unwanted chaos. Just inflate, hang, and let the bright yellow color and movement instantly start working. The bold predator eyes and fluttering streamers create a visual threat that keeps pigeons, gulls, geese, and crows away humanely. Durable, weatherproof, reusable, and eco-friendly, made to last while keeping your space peaceful. Bring home the PESTEZE 4-pack yellow predator eye balloons and reclaim your outdoor space. Order now at pestease.com. With PestEase, pests don't stand a chance.